Wanna know how to use the Waze map editor? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Waze map editor with Waze.com and make sure you are signed in as well. So we have also created a video on how to become a Waze map editor by logging in or creating an account. Now, once you've done that, right here you can see the dashboard on the left side where you can select solve events with your drives and much more. You can just simply select this plus sign right here in order to add roads, walking trail, roundabout and much more. So once you're under maps as well, you can just simply select any one of these streets. So I'll just select this street right here. Now once you're under this street here, you can just simply select its address. So you can just simply type in its street, its country, its address name, and then select apply once you're done. And that's it. Super simple and easy. That's how you easily use and edit the Waze map editor. You can also hit on solving where you can see many map suggestions under Google Maps as well. So you can just simply take help of Google Maps in order to solve it as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.